Welcome back to more electric ukulele lessons. We're still at mixed jam level, which is an advanced level, so I'm only showing the clip and the isolated track with tab. If you're a beginner and would prefer I go slower, you might start with the earlier videos where I do so. E-uk is not for perfectionists or purists. To make this work, we need to cut corners and use lots of effects. But to me, that challenge is part of the fun, and part of what makes this unique from just playing a guitar. So for gear, I'm using a Clearwater tenor uke, also called a Vorsen, with a compressor, octave pedal, pitch shifter, and zoom. Next up is the patch and tab, and you can screen cap them if it helps. Tune up and let's play.